Nakahanap din kami ng perfect staycation spot para sa pamilya namin in BGC. For as low as 4,800 pesos, just a few steps away of Michikoshi Mall na and Uptown Mall. We book our room through Komokasa Loft with floor-to-ceiling glass window and unit siya with beautiful panoramic view of BGC. Ang ganda dito. Plus the building itself is a pet-friendly too. It's a perfect spot for a quick city break or a luxurious staycation. Agree kami. The comforts here are extraordinary. Malaki yung room and fully equipped living room and kitchen with large sofa, large TV with free use of Wi-Fi, clean bathroom, nice shower area, at maraming appliances na pwede nyo nang gamitin. Sure ako, magiging very comfortable din yung stay nyo dito. The modern amenities add to the overall convenience. The lobby is clean and elegant with gym and pool for free use for those who want to stay active during their stay. Again, you can book this through Komokasa Loft. Highly recommended. Save this video and follow us for more updates.